Next stop San Agustin Church and Museum, an episode of series, Walking Tour of Intramuros. Go back up Calle Real, turn right on General Luna Street and enter the parking lot of San Agustin Church immediately on your right. The San Agustin Church, Calles Gen Luna and Real, Intramuros, Google Maps, is the first European stone church designed along Spanish lines in Manila. It has 14 side chapels, hand-carved hardwood pews dating back to the 17th century, an 18th century pipe organ, and a beautiful trompe-l'oeil ceiling. Beside the church is a small museum featuring Spanish-era vestments, furniture, and religious artwork. Along with 3 other ancient Philippine churches, San Agustin Church was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1993. Its walls have stood as a mute witness to Philippine history. 3 Spanish conquistadors are buried here. In its vestry, Spanish and American commanders discuss the city's terms of surrender during the Spanish-American War. Japanese soldiers massacred 140 people on the premises during World War II, as the American troops approached Intramuros. For the bloody details, read our overview of San Agustin Church.